So this is our bathroom transformation. So we have, because our bathroom is not we did not have a closed glass door. We just bought some. This was IKEA shower curtain, so I chose that color because it looks vibrant. And then like towels as well from IKEA. This one is actually a painting from Kmart. The walls has not been painted yet, but I cannot wait. So I just have to design anything. So we have this light here, the warm one light, but I made it a little, like look nice by buying that what do you call it, on clip-on light cage from Kmart as well. Maybe probably that's just around, I don't know, $20 something. So we did not have to spend on the lights, It's little G. This one is actually from Kmart as well. Yeah. And this one, I got this from IKEA. These two, I got this from a thrift shop, like a secondhand shop. So to match with the curtains, like the orange, like this color, how do you call this color? I got this as well from IKEA. They should just, actually stay together, but the children are using it already. So this is a very simple bathroom. Now I want it to look like it's all white and wood and everything like that. So we had a party last Saturday, so I cannot like fit all the plants that we have already that are real. So I bought these plants from IKEA. So this one's from IKEA. The pot is from IKEA because I want it to look natural. This one's from IKEA, but the middle canister is actually from Kmart as well. The shelves, the floating shelves, we like, it's like a DIY thingy. So my husband put it up there. And then kanipod siya. So ito din. Ito at saka this one and that one is from Kmart, which is actually very, I think that's just $3 something. But this plant is actually from IKEA, and this plant and the pot as well to match with this color is from IKEA. The candles are from IKEA, and the candle holder, which is the same one here. This candle with the holder down here is from Kmart. Though that's a separate one, so I bought the candle separately from the holder. And then this gold thingy holder, incense melt thingy, was from that's from IKEA as well. So this one's given to me. This is dusk. It smells really good. And this one was given to me as well. This like bowl that matches this one is actually from IKEA too. Oh no, this one's from Kmart and this one's from Kmart. So it's native looking. And the bamboo what do you call this one?
Bamboo.
Oh, it's a bath caddy, they call it.
Caddy.
I bought this from Kmart, and this gold thing as well is from Kmart. The bath bombs were given to us during Christmas. This one's Kmart too. But the gold tin can is from IKEA. So that's from IKEA because I want I've started already this color, the wood ones, the green one and the gold one. And this one is really, really beautiful. So I haven't put any body wash in it, but I like it. Like it's yung parang luma siya, but it's very nice. So this tong panghang ng plant is, and then the small parang plant pot is from IKEA as well. So I did not buy a fake plant to go with it because I'm planting a real one. So in the future, but this one, I really like the shape of this. Like this is a vase. Well, we call it flower vase, but dito tinatawag yan na vase. So I followed, it really looks nice because the textures, they are different. This one is my favorite kasi it's so cute. It's so cute. And it goes with the gold thingy there. So, the other pot, this one is actually from IKEA as well. But this one is real. Totoo po ito. Yeah. So this one's real. So yeah. So if we look at it, yeah. I don't know. Medyo madumi na yung ano namin, but we use it every time. I think we got that from IKEA. No, I got that from Red Dot, I think. So just to match this one. So yun, this is the whole thing. Yan. But I think everything like Kmart is really good and IKEA because they are cheap but they will really look beautiful. So kung titingnan nyo yan, yung area na yan, maganda siya. Diba? So there. So it looks, it looks social, but you don't have to spend a lot. So that one there. I like that corner. I actually melted that one already. It smells good. But of course, hindi ko yan ilalight na nandiyan kasi masusunog siya. So that one there, I want to light it up as well. Yan. This caddy actually, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng iPad dyan. Yan. Pag naliligo ka, then you want to watch the iPad. So, pero I told my child na hindi pwede kasi baka mahulog dyan. So, yan. And this one, I want to put real plant here kasi this one is actually like that. So, it's a unique flower pot. Yan, pwede siya sa succulents. So, yeah, you don't need to buy expensive stuff. Yeah. This is like bath crystals, body wash, and body lotion. But kalimutan ko na kung sinong nagbigay niya. So, yeah. Eh? It looks really nice. Yeah. Yan. Simple lang, but I like, doing that. But it looks really neat and clean. So, that's it. Are you going to use the bathtub tomorrow? Yes?
Little G might be using it tomorrow.
Yeah, but we need bubble bath or salt bath for that one. Yeah, so you don't actually need it to be very expensive. Just put things there kasi it looks nice and also it's very relaxing. That's the main part there. So yeah. Thank you for watching.